For the forward knot or the double forward knot, we use the left string. Make the shape like number 4 and then pass the string under the other string and make the first knot. Make the same knot again. This knot makes the two strings switch their positions. For the backward knot or the double backward knot, we use the right string. Make a shape like the lowercase b and pass the string under the other string. Make the same knot again. This will also make the two strings switch their positions. For the forward-backward knot, we make one forward knot and one backward knot. This knot will keep the positions of the two strings the same. For the backward-forward knot, we make one backward knot and one forward knot. This knot will also keep the positions of the two strings the same.